no sound challenge.
My biggest fear is being forgotten. I think her biggest fear is drowning.
My biggest fear is heights, and her biggest fear is like being rejected or something. My favorite color is blue, and her favorite color is red.
My favorite color is red and black. Okay, so my favorite animal is raccoons and wolves, and I think hers, I don't think she has one. I think it's a quick trick question.
My favorite animals are wolves, and her favorite animals are dogs. My favorite food is, I don't know, and hers is, I don't know.
My favorite food is subs.
Oh.
What did you think?